Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jiffy Fudge Brownies. First, let's get organized. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, take a 9-inch by 5-inch loaf pan and grease it well. Then, gather your simple ingredients. 1 package of Jiffy Fudge Brownie mix, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Having everything ready makes baking a breeze. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix. Carefully empty the entire package of Jiffy Fudge Brownie mix into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add your 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil to the bowl. Using a spoon or spatula, stir all these ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and you have a smooth, rich brownie batter. Don't overmix, just blend until smooth. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to get those brownies baking. Pour the delicious brownie batter evenly into your greased 9-inch by 5-inch loaf pan. Carefully place the pan into your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Let them bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out mostly clean. Keep an eye on them. Your kitchen should smell amazing right about now. Once baked, carefully remove the hot brownies from the oven. This next step is crucial for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan. This allows them to set properly, making them easier to cut. After they've cooled, slice them into delicious squares. Now, you can finally enjoy your warm, homemade Jiffy Fudge Brownies. They're perfect for sharing or a sweet treat just for you.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.